Hey, what's happening, YouTube? Once again, this is your boy Luis right here. In today's episode, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to map your Google Drive into your file explorer. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. As you can see right here, I only have my local C drive, and sometimes it's very convenient if you can go ahead and work with your map drives, or if you have a Google Drive, you can definitely put it right here and it'll be a lot more convenient. Okay, that way you can work offline and you can go ahead and see your files. All right, and you can definitely be more productive. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and minimize that. So the only thing you have to do is go to your web browser and go ahead and type in download Google Drive, and it's gonna go ahead and take you to this website. I've already downloaded, so it's right here, so you can see that right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just double click on this. There you go. Alright, and it's gonna go ahead and ask you, it's gonna go ahead and give you this prompt. Alright, add application shortcut to your desktop, yes. And then that's up to you right here. If you want to go ahead and add your shortcut for Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, that's definitely up to you. I'm not gonna go ahead and do that right now, so just go ahead and click install. And as you can see, the Google Drive, it's installing. All right, so it's just gonna take a few seconds. There you go. And right after that, just go ahead and hit that right there where it says close. All right, now let's go ahead and double click this right here. And as you can see, that you get that message that says Google Drive is already running, so just press OK. Now let's go back over here to the File Explorer, and that's it. As you can see that. Now, in some cases, it may probably give you like a prompt for you to log in. Okay, go ahead and enter your email address, and then go ahead and obviously put in your password. That way you can go ahead and authenticate, and that's it pretty much. As you can see, now you have your Google Drive right there, and you can go ahead and drag your files and whatnot. So that's it pretty much. So there's a lot of people that are doing that, and it's very convenient. Or you can also just go ahead and work with your Google Drive just right here with this icon right there. So but I really like it right here in the File Explorer. Okay, you can just go ahead and drag your files in there and you'll be all set. All right, so that'll do it for this tutorial. All right, so if you have any questions or comments, please make sure to go ahead and drop them right there in the comment section. I'll go ahead and answer you, and please show me some love and like and subscribe. All right, so thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.